Now if I hit the plane, yeah, the audio play. Hello friends, welcome. In this video we are going to learn on how to organize all your sound effects in your game in a single audio manager script, so that all the audios or sound effects can be played by accessing just a single script. So without further ado, let's start. First of all, let me show you what we have achieved in our project so far. So if I play in the play button, so you can see we've got our player. We can destroy the asteroids, and we got some kamikaze planes that come. And right now we haven't added the destruction sound effect for the kamikaze aeroplane, so we will do that also while learning on how to make the audio manager script for our game. So let's start. First off, we are going to learn what is called an autoload in Godot or GDscript. So we need to make an autoload file or the script. So autoload is something that can be accessed from anywhere within the project, and that loads automatically when we run our game. So that's why it is called autoload script. So let's make autoload script for our audio manager. To make autoload script, we just go to the file systems and let's go to our scripts here. So I click in the scripts folder, and then I right click. Next I select create new, and here I will just select script. Okay, we are going to make a script, and the name of the script will be global, global underscore audio underscore manager manager. Okay, so generally we write the script name in snake case format, all letters size small, and we separate the words with underscore. So we have got our global underscore audio underscore manager GD. So let's create it. So we have created it here. We can see it here. If I double click it, then it will show our script. So right now we have written nothing, yeah, just extends node, and we have got two functions, underscore ready and underscore process functions, and that's it. So let's make this script an autoload script or the global script. For that we need to go to the project and then go to project settings, and next here is something called globals. Click here, and then let's search our script path. Let's click in this folder. Next we have got scripts folder here. Double click and let's search our global audio manager script here. Click it and open, and now we have opened our script here, and we can see the name of the node automatically written by the project editor. That's in capital letter global audio manager. So the node name will be global audio manager, and we just click on the add button here, and now we have made our autoload the global. We have made a global, that is global audio manager, and this global audio manager will be available throughout the project from anywhere. Now close, and next we are going to write some scripts so that we can play sound effects from just this script and nowhere else. Okay, first of all, let's make a player variable var players players variable. So this players mean the audio player, not the actual player, equals to, and we are going to give it an empty dictionary. And next so this will be the sound effect players, and next I will use create next variable called music player, music music underscore player player equals to null. Yeah, so this player will play the music, and this dictionary, the player's dictionary, will hold the sound effects. And next, another thing, var default, not default, I'll say background music, DSCK GROUN, the background underscore music music equals to PREL preload. So we are going to preload a background music here. So let's search our background music. So here we have got the background music here. Just click and drag it inside the preload here, and we have preloaded our background music into the variable background music. And next, let's add similar sounds. For another sound that we want to add is the shoot sound. As such, OT shoot underscore sound equals to SOUND sound equals to preload. And we do the same thing here. In the sound effects, we have another sound, shoot sound. Drag it inside the preload like this. Next, explosion sound, yeah, EXPL7 explosion underscore 1 equal to PREL preload. This is the explosion 1 sound inside the preload. Next, we have our EXPLOS7 explosion underscore, I will call it 2, explosion 2 equals to PRELOAD preload, and drag the explosion 11 mp3 inside the preload like this. So we have preloaded all our sound effects and music in these variables. Yeah, and next, let's create another variable. For this, I will just use at the ready on ready. This variable will be created when it's ready. Yeah, when this node is loaded or it's ready. Var current underscore music music. So this variable, current music variable, will be hold the variable of type audio stream, AUDIO audio STREAM stream, and right now we will just pass it null. So right now it has nothing, but it will accept the variable of audio stream. And now let's go to onReady function. So here we delete the pass, and next let's make 10 players for our sound effects. For that, we will use a for loop for I in it, and here we are going to make a variable called var player equals to, and then AUDIO audio STREAM stream PLAYER player NEW dot NEW like this. Okay, so we have made an audio stream player in the player variable. So player variable will hold a new audio stream player. Okay, and then what we do is we just add add underscore child this player PLAY, and that's what we created here. So this is the first audio stream player, and this will just repeat 8 times. That means we'll make 8 audio stream players, and then we will also hold player I players. So we have this dictionary, so we will put this player in the dictionary also, player player. So in this way we will create 8 audio stream players, and that will be capable of playing 8 audio streams concurrently. And next, let's go outside the for loop, and here we are going to make another player, music music underscore player, that we have already declared this variable here up here. And then we are going to make another audio stream player, audio stream stream player player dot new new. Okay, and this audio stream player will be for the music only. So these are for the sound effects, yeah, and this one will be for music. So we will separate music and sound effects. And next, for now I'll just add child. This one also I will add this to our node, music music underscore player. For now, save it, and that's done for our onReady function. Next, let's make our own function called play sound. Yeah, func play underscore sound. So this function will be playing the sound effects, and this function will also take a parameter sound of type audio stream stream. And next, what we are going to do is we are going to use the for loop for player player in players players dot valves values, and then if so what we are doing here is, so this player variable will be holding all the audio players here. Yeah, we have assigned 8 audio players inside this player dictionary, and we are looping through each player right now. Yeah, we are looping through each player and we are checking if it is playing or not. If not, player dot playing playing, that means the audio player is not playing. If that audio player is not playing, then we are going to play that stream player dot stream stream. First of all, we assign the sound. So the sound that we have passed, the audio stream that we have passed, will be assigned here. Player dot stream is equal to sound, and then we just play player dot play, and this will play the sound. And after we have played the sound, we'll just return retur and return, and nothing to play then. Yeah, and here outside the for loop we are going to print something, print. If every player is busy, that means the 8 players that we have made. Yeah, if all the 8 players are busy, we are going to play the sound, which will not be the case, but if that's the case, it will print something. No available audio players players, increase the pools. And that's for our playing the sound effects, the function. Yeah, and next, let's make another function that will play the music. func play underscore music music, and here we are going to accept the same type of argument, sound, which will be audio stream type stream stream, and we are going to check if current underscore music music not equals to null, and music underscore player dot playing playing. So we have got a current music if it's not null, and if the music player dot is playing, then what should we do? Then we have to stop it because we have to play another music. Yeah, so here I've created a variable called current music that's of type audio stream, and right now it's null. Yeah, and here if we call this function play underscore music with a sound stream, first of all we check if current music is not null. If it's not null, and also music player is playing, okay, then what do? We will stop the music. music underscore player dot sto stop. Before playing another music, we need to stop the music. Yeah, so this current music will be holding the stream, audio stream that's being currently played. So if it's not null and if its music player is still playing, first of all we will stop that music that's been playing, and then outside here we will play another music. So first of all music player dot stream stream will be assigned the new sound, sound, and next music player dot play. So we will play that music that's been passed while calling this music function. Next we will also current music will be also sound. Yeah, so this current music will hold the same sound stream, audio stream that's being currently played. Save it. So this will be used while looping, okay, while we want to loop the music. So generally we want to loop the background music, that's why I am using this current music variable that I will show you how to use while looping. Save it, and that's pretty much it. If we don't want to loop anything, just we want to play music, and we can do anything right now. But if we want to loop our music, we want to add something more, so let's add that function also. func func, let's make a loop music, loop underscore music. So if we want to loop a music, we are going to call this function loop music, and here we are going to check if current underscore music. So if we have a current music, then we will just play that music again, play music, and inside we will just pass current music. Yeah, and next let's make something that will stop the music. Sometimes we just don't want to listen to the music, we might want to stop the music. For that we'll make a function func stop underscore music. Then here what do? We will just stop the music if music player dot playing. Yeah, if the music player is playing, then we'll music player dot stop. Yeah, we are going to stop the music, and let's also empty the stream of the music player music for player dot stream equals to null, and also current music current music equals to null. So we will make the stream of the player music player null, and also we will assign null value to current music also, because we have stopped it. And that's pretty much it for our audio manager, global audio manager. So this can be accessed these variables and these functions can be accessed from across all the platforms. I mean all from anywhere from the project. Save it. Now let's see if we can access these files or the variables and these functions from anywhere else. So first of all, let's use the background music from this place, yeah, from our global audio manager. So we have actually played the background music from the main GD. So let's go to main GD, and from here, okay, let's go to main GD. From here the scene, yeah, let's go to, what did I do, let's go down to the scenes, double click. Okay, we have got the main scene here, and the nodes are like this. In the main scene, player node, enemy spawn point, enemy spawn timer, UI controls, and here we have got the music player. If I click on the music player, so we have played the music from this audio stream player here, and in here we can see autoplay is on. So once the main scene has been loaded, then it starts playing the music like this, yeah, here. So let me just uncheck the autoplay, and now the music player won't play. Let me show you. If I click on play here, so the music is not playing right now. And now we will use the global audio manager to play our music, and we'll just delete this music player. First of all, let's play the music from global audio manager. For that, let's go to the script of our main scene. So this is the script of our main scene, and here in the ready function, once all the things are loaded, then we will play the music from here. GLOVL, we will call the global audio manager. So we can see here global audio manager dot play play. So we have got the function play music, and we are going to access the audio stream from here. GLOVL, global audio manager, not what did I do, GLOVL, global audio manager dot, and we have got something called background music, yeah, and this will play the music. Global audio manager dot play music, background music. And I'll show you here in the global audio manager, we have got the background music here that has been preloaded, and next we have got the play music function, and that will play the music. So let me show you. If I play the music, play the game from here, and that will start playing the music, yeah. Stop it. And that's how you use a global audio manager. And next, let's make the audios for our kamikaze planes, yeah. So we have got the enemy ship.gd here, and let me go to enemy ship scene. So we have got our enemy ship here, and this, if it's been hit by the bullet, it will destroy. So we will use the destruct explosion sound while it's get destroyed, and for that we will have to do nothing here. So we don't have to add any kind of audio stream players here. We have already loaded all the sounds in the main our Autoload global audio manager, so we will use from that one. So let's go to script here, and here where we are going to play the explosion sound. Let's see, start explosion. Okay, when we start the explosion, we will play the audio from here. Okay, here we'll just use GLOVL global audio manager dot play sound, yeah, for sound effects, and global audio manager dot which sound we want to play. We will let's play explosion 1 and save it, and that's easy. That's how we play the audio now. So how easy it is now, yeah. So we don't have to add anything here. We have already added everything inside our audio manager, the auto load, and we can just play sound from anywhere like this. Let's see, play. And now if I hit the plane, yeah, the audio plays. Boom, 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 boom. Hello guys, one thing I forgot to add is to make the music player or the background music keep on looping, we need to actually connect a signal. So here in the ready function, we actually have to connect our signal, music player dot connect, connect, and there is a signal. When the music finishes, it will emit a signal called finished, finished, and we have to connect it with our function that will loop the music, this function. Okay, loop loop underscore music music, and that's it. Now the music player will play the music continuously in a loop. And that's how we can use a global audio manager in our game, so that every sound effects can be organized in just one scripts, and it will be a whole lot of easier while dealing with the audios, guys. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you guys.